Hey guys, so we're so excited, yeah? My daughter and her partner are coming up. So they're going to be staying with us for a few weeks. So we're getting the room all organized. Yeah, yeah. So I'm excited. Funny will be when they get here and he gets all the attention. So yeah, we're just going to clean the room up and yeah, hang out. So come along with us, guys. Hey buddy, a kiss. Mwah. I love you. Yeah, I love you, my beautiful boy. Hey, we're gonna clean the room? Come on. Alright. You wanna stand up there? Hey? Yeah, look at you. Are you gonna help me take the sheet off? Throw it in the washing machine? Hey! You need to stop doing that. Yeah? You're crazy. Yeah, you need to stop doing that. Don't you? Yeah? You're addicted. Addicted to it. Aren't you? Yeah, you're addicted. Oh! Say uh-oh. Uh-oh. What you doing? Hey? Hello, beautiful girl. You came. Yeah? You can hang out with us.
Look, you bro. Come hang out with me. Come hang out with me, bro.
What are you doing? Are you helping me clean the room? Well, come on then. Hey? We're gonna get the room clean? Yeah? Is Willow? Hi, Willow. Hey. You having a scratch? Hi? Yeah? Hello, Willow. Yeah, hello, beautiful girl. You hanging out too? Where are ya? Where'd you go? Coming? Alright. Hello. Yeah, are you helping too? And I got the woo there. Yeah. Whee! What are you doing up there? Hey. Yeah. What you doing? Go crazy? What's June doing? Yeah? doing? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah? Am I crazy? Are you on my phone? Thank you. Off my phone. Thank you. Hey? Cheeky boy. Aren't you? Yeah, you're a cheeky boy. Cheeky boy. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Alright. Hey? Let's go get Echo. Where is she?
A ritualistic display.
Hey guys, like my new clock? I think it's pretty cool. Echo, please don't bite my hair. Yeah, please don't. Yeah. Please don't bite my hair, Echo. Echo, no bitey. So these guys just hang out with me all day. Wherever I go, they come. Echo keeps trying to bite my ear. Yes, no bitey. You little terror. Yeah, you're a terror. Thank you. You can't jump on my phone. No. Yeah, Buddy, what are you doing? Thank you. So, yeah, every day these guys hang out with me. We walk around the house, we clean, we get things organized, don't we? Yeah? I'm always hanging out to help, aren't you? Hey? As long as Echo doesn't want to bite. Echo? No bitey. Yeah, no. No bitey. She keeps trying to get my earrings out. She's a little terror. No bitey. Yeah, you're gonna bite his tail. No. You little terror. Yeah, you're a little terror. Alright guys, these two are mucking up. She's a little rat bag. Aren't you, Echo? No bitey. No. Alright, she's in a mood as well. They're both molting at the moment. Today's a bit cooler, thank God. Hopefully we've got over that heat wave. It's been absolutely ridiculous the last few days. So yeah, that's just me hanging out with these two. Come everywhere with me. They do everything with me. And yeah, they love it. If she doesn't keep biting my ear off. Rat bag. So Echo's back on her perch. Do a little dance for Mum. Yeah, after you just tried to bite my earrings out and rip my hair out. Yeah, aren't you beautiful? Yeah, you're a beautiful girl. Look at you. Hey, you're beautiful. You're such a beautiful girl. Here you are. Hello, baby. Yeah, hello, my darling girl. Yeah, you're okay. I love you. You can't bite my earrings off. Yeah. Beautiful girl. Hey? Yeah? A beautiful echo. Yeah. Hello, beautiful darling. Yeah, you don't like the camera, do you? So yeah, this is me. Buddy just crawls all over me. Yeah, he's such a little terror. So you say hello. Yeah, say hello. Yeah. Say I'm a handsome boy. Yeah. You say I'm molting. I'm going for a little terror stage. Yeah. Going for a terror stage, aren't you? So is Echo. Alright guys, have a great day and take care of yourselves. He's just constantly licking me today, aren't you? Yeah. Where's my kiss? Kiss? Mwah! Thank you.